Getting the Granny2 engine module DLL error after a software update. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Avoid long manual edits for Granny2 engine module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This DLL file is the core library for the Granny3D animation system. It is a popular middleware used in hundreds of games to handle high-performance 3D character animation, mesh deformation, and skeletal runtime playback. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error commonly appears when RAD Game Tools files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of RAD Game Tools to repair the application and replace the Granny2 engine module DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Granny2 engine module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be aware that manual interventions for the Granny2 engine module DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review repair-related information for the Granny2 engine module by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing the Granny2 engine module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.